How many types of campfire do you know? 1, 2, 3. In fact, there are much more of them, and each is applied in a different way. In the subjective rating of our show, we have 5 most popular types of campfire: log cabin fire, Indian fire, Swedish torch, long log fire, and Tepee. We'll evaluate them in 4 categories: how long it burns, what the temperature is, how easy it is to make it, and how practical it is.
Here we have a log cabin fire. It has several names, yet most often it's known as the log cabin fire. This campfire is good for cooking food and drying your clothes.
Is it difficult to make it? What do you need for it?
Well, you need some skills, knowledge, and dry wood.
This popular type of campfire has 2 basic disadvantages. First, it burns out very quickly. Second, it loses its shape and collapses prematurely, and the kindling sticks to start it must be of certain length and thickness.
It's not aimed at burning for the whole night. It's for cooking and getting your clothes dry. This type of campfire is called star fire or Indian fire. You can see short logs here. Just for you to understand, this type of fire can be used when you have no saw or an axe. When you have long, we've brought the wood.
Do you mean you don't have to saw or chop?
Yes, that's why it's quite convenient. All in all,
It's a campfire for the lazy. This construction, which is similar in appearance to the eternal light, burns for quite a long time and is really undemanding, yet the fire is short, while it all occupies a lot of space. Of course, it depends on the length of the firewood itself. It's really efficient. Yes, you can shift it.
yes, firewood may be long, and it is constantly shifted to the center. We have embers all the time. It's a Swedish torch, also known as Swedish candle, Canadian candle, and so on. The idea is that they make cuts with a chainsaw, a handsaw, or a log is split, piled up, and fastened with a wire. The idea is that the draft is from different sides.
So the fire has started. How long did it take? Only a half minute, really.
A big log can burn up to several hours.
The Swedish fire is undoubtedly the most practical type of campfire in our rating. Unfortunately, it's impossible to add firewood to it.
Here, it is a small fire to quickly boil a mug of water. Make tea for 1 or 2 people. You can also walk with it at night when there's no light.
It's similar to a candle,
Yes, to a candle.
and it doesn't weigh much. Simple and beautiful. How long will it burn?
This one will burn for 30 to 40 minutes.
30 to 40 minutes.
Yes.
This is something really strange. Doesn't look like a campfire at all.
It's a long log fire. It's short. A classical long log fire can consist of 2 or 3 logs. We'll use 3 logs.
Why do we need logs here?
To have draft from the bottom.
Oh, like that, yes?
Yes.
So that the air comes from the bottom.
Yes, from the bottom.
Up.
So that there is another blower.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now we'll ignite the birch bark across the whole area of it.
The same Swedish candle.
Yes, even if it is extinct, like now, you can blow it up.
Aha, shall we cover it?
Yes, we'll cover it all.
While the long fire has a lot of advantages, it still has one significant drawback. An inexperienced person will find it difficult to find such dry logs in the forest and make this fire. So if I get it right, every log, in essence, will turn into a big cylinder ember.
Yes, you're right. There won't be any open fire. That's why it'll burn all night long. You can also make a tent on the 2 sides of it, and that will be perfect. You can sleep here, and you can sleep here, like that. Here we have some space for the smoke between the sides of the tent, and the warmth is evenly distributed to the left and to the right.
Well, as far as I understand, it's a classic teepee.
Yes, classical. Tepee campfire. This type of campfire is really good for cooking. And if it's big enough, it's good for making watchfires.
Why?
Because it can be high and it can be covered to protect it from rain. If necessary, as long as a helicopter appears, some rescue, they can be ignited and they can be seen from far away.
The most popular type of campfire has proven the most short-lived and impractical. It's easy to keep fire, for sure, but it's really tiresome. Eventually, in our subjective rating, 3 campfires have finished on the same place, yet generally speaking, it's not correct to compare them, as you must choose the type of campfire not according to its rating, but judging by circumstances